Although the Honda Civic Type R is actually somewhat affordable, that doesn't mean you can flat out ignore some important seasonal maintenance items depending on your location. According to Corey Walker in his Facebook video post earlier yesterday, December 9, 2017, in his local Massachusetts tuning group, he spotted a 2018 Honda Civic Type R practically struggling to put down even a fraction of its 306 horsepower and 295 pounds-to-foot of torque to the ground. Check out the hilariously pathetic display of owner competence below. Since the Honda Civic Type R, and pretty much all Hondas, are front-wheel drive, technically they should be pretty competent in light snow conditions with even all-season tires wrapped around each wheel. But because the Honda Civic Type R is a race car bred for the streets, Honda's engineers have equipped them with Continental SportContact 6s, which is one of Continental's max performance summer tires. Continental even has a special formula for these tires dubbed Black Chili Compound. Suffice to say, they only work well in dry, hot weather conditions. Snow tires, on the other hand, work best in snowy conditions. Thanks to extra grooving, wider edge blocks, and more flexible rubber, snow tires can grip where normally regular, all-season tires would perform not as well. As a matter of fact, if you used snow tires on dry roads, your snow tires would wear out far too quickly, would perform not as well when compared to all seasons, and would chew up the roads it's driving on. If you live in snowy conditions in the winter seasons, you'd better get a special dedicated set of winter snow tires. OEM spec size snow tires for the Honda Civic Type R can get quite expensive. According to Tire Rack, if you swapped on the original 245/30/20 tire for a winter tire in the exact same size, it would cost you about $400 for each wheel. For all four wheels plus mounting and balancing, and you're looking at close to $1,500. My recommendation for this guy is to get yourself a winter beater because, for the amount of money you'll spend on snow tires, you can buy yourself some cheapo Corolla with a much cheaper wheel and tire setup for the snow.